Good morning, everyone. Let's talk this morning about finding the area of irregular shapes. So shapes that aren't perfect rectangles. And this might appear tricky at first, but I think it will help if you think back to our work with arrays at the beginning of third grade. Remember how we used to take tricky arrays and we used to split them up into two smaller arrays that were easier to solve and then put them back together? The same strategy can work here. We are going to split this irregular shape up into two smaller shapes, into two rectangles, and then figure out the area of each, and then combine the two areas to find the area of the entire shape. So I see a couple different ways I could split up this shape. I could make a line right down the middle this way and have 1, 2 kind of long skinny rectangles. Or I think this actually might work even better. If I just draw a line here, I can sort of cut off this little tiny bit at the bottom, and then I would have a rectangle, a square actually here, and then a small rectangle up here. Let's try that. So I'm going to draw a line right across here. Okay. Now, let's look and figure out the dimensions of this rectangle. I know that it's 5 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this way. And then it doesn't label this way for me, but I can count. It's 1, 2, 3 rows. Those 3 rows of 5. So, well, that's 3 times 5 or 5 times 3, right? So this rectangle is 3 times 5. All right, let's look at this big one up here. I'm not going to pay attention to this 12 anymore because remember I cut these 3 off from the bottom. That's not accurate. This square doesn't have 12 on this side. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9 rows. And then let's see, how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in each row. That's right, because it's a square that all the sides should be the same. So if this is 9 by 9, then what's the multiplication problem I could use to find out the area? Right, 9 times 9. So now I just need to solve each of these problems. 9 times 9 is, quick, somebody, 81. And then 3 times 5, 15. And now to find out the area of the entire figure, I'm going to add 81 plus 15. And that is 96. The area of the entire figure is 96. So this is how you can take an irregular shape and decompose it into 2 smaller rectangles to help you figure out the total area. If you're still a little bit confused when it comes to doing the math problems, watch the Khan Academy video, of course, and then use the comment box. We can help you.